Hey guys, this is going to be a video how to replace a fuel level sensor in your cars. Right here, this is pretty much typical for all General Motors, pretty much typical setup. When I replace these little pins right here are screwed up on this old one. Now, what there be, you got to pull out this clip, which this clip sits up into here, in the hole. You got to get a pair of needle nose or whatever you guys have. Pinch this, then probably take two hands, pinch it, and slide it. Once you pinch that, slide it down, and then this one just pops right out. And then unclip your wires from here. Then there'll be this red clip, sits way up here, which I can probably sits right in there. That red clip does. And then there'll be a blue clip, or whatever color it be, which just sits all the way down there, all the way down here, which is pretty much what it looks like. Then when you get those two out, you gotta butterfly both these pins, both those pins, and pop right up. Then this one, you gotta take a pair of needle nose, squeeze right here at the base, and pops right out, just like this. There's a junk one, and here's a new one. And don't forget, take your old gasket off first. After you get that off, Now I show you how to put this on. Maybe. Might be able to do it one hand. Okay, once you get it up, it should just slide right, push right up into it. Make sure to seat it all the way in, because you don't want to force it when you put it back in the pump. Then you take your new center unit. There'll be two little slides. Those slides really freaking hard to show you. Two slides on the back are here. Right before I got it up on the bricks, I got fuel in it. And I'm not going to dump my fuel out of this. Fuel is expensive these days. Also, if I had two hands. And once you know you get it on the slide, just slide it right up. And I just screwed it up. So give me a minute. Alright, make sure your wires are out to the side. So when you slide in your new pump, new center unit, make sure you have wires peeled out like that and slide it up. Then you take this little white clip and just slide it back up into the hole. You hear it click. That means you got that fast. Then you take your wires, go like this. It's that easy. Then you take this, with this one under here. You need a better camera and a better tripod. Alright, then you take this connector and run it all the way back up to where you pulled it out of. You hear a click. Then you take your fuel level and your fuel pump. Make sure that little clip arrow is pointing the way you pulled it out. But usually there's only one way to go back out. Alright. And sometimes you might have to pull that clip out so these suckers can brawl out. So I'm gonna see if I can do it without it. No, I pop clip out. So let's give you a 2 for 1. Alright, I'll get back to you. You gotta press pretty hard, but you want to make sure it'll match to this one before you press hard and break your pump. But there's a little groove and little contacts. There's a groove. There you go. There's only one way. You can sit in on this pump. And then you go back up to your fuel pump. Take this red little clip out. It don't really matter how this little red clip goes up here. I'm trying to get you guys in here to see this. And here it is in. There's a brand new fuel level sender. There's a brand new fuel level sensor. Yeah, see how? Yeah, let's do this really careful. Now let's do this one. You can hear the difference, I'm hoping. Here. There's nothing there. And also they change out on the bottom of these contacts. They're on this old one, this is the original from an 01. Oh, the trick. There's little flashes. Yeah, I somewhat see it. But this one doesn't have slashes on the bottom. It's just a straight bar. So, and it's a good time to replace this while you're at it. But, you know, this one don't look bad. I'm going to just take the carburetor cleaner. I'm hoping. Yeah, it's not that bad. I'm going to take the carburetor cleaner and clean it. I don't think I have any carburetor cleaner. So that's what I'm going to clean. And then it's time to reassemble it. So hopefully this was a helpful tip and how to fix this. So I'll catch you later then. So I'll tell you if it's going to work on the fuel gauge or not. If it's going to work for the fuel gauge, then I'll put in the quotations. Alright, see you then. Bye.